Think you know everything about cruising? Well, today, we're exposing the secrets cruise lines would rather you never find out. Number 10. The cheapest cabins aren't always the worst. Many people believe the most affordable rooms are dark, noisy, and unbearable. But here is the secret. Some of the lowest price inside cabins are actually in prime locations. Cruise lines don't advertise it, but if you study deck maps, you'll find hidden gems near elevators, theaters, or even quiet corners away from the crowds. Pay less, but enjoy more convenience. Number 9. You don't have to pay for bottled water. Cruise ships love upselling bottled water packages. But here is the trick. You can request free pitchers of filtered water at dining rooms and bars. And it's the same water served on board. Some cruisers even bring a reusable water bottle and refill it at no cost. Cruise lines don't highlight this because they make a fortune selling water that should really be free. Number 8. The Daily Planner is designed to distract you. Ever wonder why so many events overlap on a cruise schedule? It's intentional. Cruise lines pack the Daily Planner with activities, so you miss free events and lean toward paid ones instead. Trivia, spa seminars, jewelry, auctions, they're strategically designed to get you shopping. The secret? Stick to the activities you enjoy and ignore the subtle nudges. Number 7. There's a hidden crew-only store. Yes, it exists. Many cruise ships have a small onboard shop exclusively for crew members. It's stocked with snacks, toiletries, and essentials at much lower prices than the guest stores. While you can't shop there, the secret is that crews sometimes share tips on where to find cheaper items at upcoming ports. So ask politely. Number 6. You can get free room service if you know when. Room service often comes with a delivery fee, but here is what the cruise line won. T-Advertise. Many ships offer free continental breakfast delivered to your cabin if you order during certain morning hours. It's the perfect hack for coffee lovers or anyone who wants to start the day without the buffet chaos. Number 5. The cruise Wi-Fi is intentionally slow. Ever notice the internet on board feels like it's stuck in 2005? That's no accident. Cruise lines throttle Wi-Fi speeds to push passengers into buying premium plans. Even worse, some block streaming services. The workaround? Download entertainment before boarding or wait until port days to connect to faster, cheaper networks. Number 4. Not all cabins are created equal, even at the same price. 2 passengers may pay the same for an ocean view cabin, but one might have a huge unobstructed window while another stares at a lifeboat. Cruise lines use broad categories to hide these differences. The secret? Always check deck plans, look for obstructed view disclaimers, and if possible, ask for cabin photos online before booking. Number 3. The buffet isn't always the best place to eat. Most first-time cruisers rush to the buffet, but insiders know the main dining room and specialty spots often serve higher quality food, sometimes at no extra cost. Some ships even have hidden snack bars like pizzerias, deli counters, or taco stands that are completely free. Cruise lines keep the buffet crowded because it's cheaper for them to manage. Number 2. Cabin upgrades can be negotiated. Here's one the cruise lines don't want shouted around. You can sometimes snag last-minute cabin upgrades for a fraction of the price. If the ship isn't fully booked, the staff may quietly offer discounted upgrades before departure, or even at the pier on boarding day. But you have to ask. Number 1. Not everything is truly all-inclusive. Cruises market themselves as all-inclusive, but the reality is very different. Gratuities, specialty dining, premium drinks, Wi-Fi, excursions, and spa treatments all come with hefty add-ons. The secret is to know exactly what's included before you book otherwise. Your cheap vacation could double in cost by the end of the trip. And there you have it, 10 cruise secrets the cruise lines definitely don't want you to know. From cabin hacks to hidden fees, these tips can help you cruise smarter, save money, and avoid stress. If you learned something new, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you love uncovering hidden travel secrets, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Now, tell me in the comments, which of these secrets surprised you the most? I'd love to hear your thoughts.